In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your manuscript using Google Docs, perfectly tailored for Kindle books. If you've been looking to convert that brilliant manuscript of yours into a Kindle-friendly format, you've come to the right place. Let's begin by opening a blank Google Docs document. Simply go to docs.google.com and start fresh with a new document. This will be your canvas, the space where your words will transform into a reader-friendly layout. Next, we need to set up your page layout. Click on File, then Page Setup. Here, you'll set the page size to 6 by 9 inches. This is a standard size for most Kindle books and ensures that your publication is consistent with industry norms. You'll also want to set your margins to somewhere between ½ inch to an inch on all sides. The choice depends on how you prefer your text to breathe on the page, but make sure it's consistent throughout your document. After making these adjustments, click OK to apply. Now, it's important to add your front matter. This is essentially the section that contains your title page, author name, copyright information, and any dedications you might want to include. For this, use center alignment to give your title page and any major headings the prominence they deserve. It's these small professional touches that set polished books apart. Speaking of organization, using headings for your chapter titles is a game changer. Write your chapter titles, highlight the text, and then apply the heading 1 style. You can do this from the toolbar or by navigating to Format, Paragraph Styles, then heading 1. This isn't just about aesthetics, it helps Kindle generate a navigable table of contents, making it easier for your readers to jump to chapters seamlessly. For the body of your text, consider readability. Choose a classic, easy-to-read font like Times New Roman or Georgia in sizes 11 or 12 point. Adjust your line spacing to either 1.15 or 1.5 for a bit of breathing room between lines, enhancing readability. Also, justify your text alignment for a neat and clean look throughout. Don't forget to insert page breaks between chapters to ensure each one starts on a new, clean page. Just click on Insert, Break, and then Page Break to achieve this. While optional, adding a table of contents can really enhance your document's usability. Position your cursor where you'd like it to appear, typically after the title page, and then insert a table of contents from the Insert menu. Choose between links or plain text to best suit your style. If your manuscript includes images, remember to insert them by choosing Insert, then Image. Keep these images centered and well-sized, sticking to JPEG or PNG formats for the best compatibility with Kindle. Lastly, review your work. Check for consistent fonts, spacing, and formatting, ensuring there are no errant spaces or tabs. Google Docs spell check and grammar tools can be a real lifesaver here. Once you're satisfied, export your manuscript by clicking File, Download, and selecting Microsoft Word Docs. This format is ideal for Kindle uploads. Congratulations on preparing your manuscript for Kindle. Enjoy seeing your hard work come to life for your readers.